guys, it's your girl Anne, and I am back with another video. I hope you guys are having a beautiful weekend and you are just enjoying the amazing weather that we've been having. The weather here has been really great for the past week. It's been so hot, almost like summer weather. Lawnmowers are going, birds are chirping, and we've been hanging out a lot outside. We went to the park, and today I'm just going to take a few minutes of your time while I tidy up and just get my kitchen organized and clean for the spring. So today's video is just going to be a little bit of a tidying up, getting rid of the garbage, getting rid of the few dishes that's here in the sink, cleaning, sanitizing, and organizing my countertop with all of my everyday appliances like my Keurig, my toaster, my slow cooker, and I don't remember the name of that right now, but just organizing and cleaning my countertop and just styling and decorating it with a few florals and just all of the everyday things that we use for like breakfast and you know, quick cooking utensils and things like that. So that is what we are going to be doing today here in the kitchen, throwing out the compost, throwing out recycling, throwing out the garbage, and just getting this kitchen smelling and looking nice. So let's get started, guys.
You call me for one last dance, then you hypnotize me into a trance, thinking I really had a chance, but I woke up on my own. The world keeps on spinning round. I'm planting my feet flat on the ground. Living is all that I can do, and keeping on pulling through. Everything changed so suddenly. How come everyone saw it but me? No wonder it broke my heart in two. I'm left here without a clue, but I'm looking up and forward. Nobody can take away what I've learned, how to be brave when there's no return. Oh yeah, I feel like there's something new, something in the air, some point of view that's made me believe that I have a chance to make things right. Oh, everything changed so suddenly. How come everyone saw it but me? No wonder it broke my heart in two. I'm left here without a clue, but I'm looking up and forward. Nobody can take away what I've learned, how to be brave when there's no return.
So guys, originally I had some peonies in there, and I also had some peonies in there when I first cleaned and I started putting everything back, but I went ahead and I switched out the peonies for these eucalyptus that I got about 2 weeks ago from Amazon. This is my hot beverage station where I keep my coffee. Well, my daughter likes coffee. I keep hot chocolate, tea bags, and oats. One of my favorite things to eat every morning. And this is just a little swan that I got from Amazon 2 years ago with some stir spoons. I've never used them. They're more for like decorative purposes. And then I have some coasters here. These are marble coasters. My glam candle holders that I've had for a while, and then my teacups and teacup stand. The teacups are part of a dinnerware set that I got from Walmart, and then this teacup stand, mug stand I should say, came from Amazon. My daughter purchased this for me back in the winter from Canadian Tire here in Canada, and we use that pretty much every day. We use this every day. So these are all items that I keep out and they're used every day. This is more for like decorative purposes. I've actually never drank in those. and it goes with my color theme. So, and it also looks nice near the hot beverage station, which you always need a little, a few mugs or so near your hot beverage station. And then I had peonies here as well, and I switched them out for these tulips. They look more springy to me, and it brings in a little bit more greenery in this area, so that's what I was going for. It actually makes the area pop a lot more, and it looks really nice with all of the black. I decided to put all of my hot beverages items into this tray that I got from HomeSense a while back, because I found that when I had them separated on the countertop, it looked a bit more cluttered, but this way, having everything just in one tray frees up a lot more space. It actually looks much better on the eyes, and I really love how this area turned out. And then to the right of my cooktop, I added some hydrangeas and some greenery. I've actually had this for a long time that I picked up at Michael's years ago. These, if you guys remember, I styled my credenza with these. I got them, I think, buy one get one free or 50% from Michael's earlier in the winter time. And then this is my slow cooker, my butcher knife and scissors set that I got from Amazon a while back, and I've put all of my utensils, spoons, spatula, and all that stuff in this little utensil holder that I got from HomeSense a while back. And then, as you saw me unbox these, I got from Amazon. So right now I'm low on olive oil and avocado oil, so when I restock my avocado and olive oil, I'm going to refill these. I actually want to purchase another one and have one for avocado, olive oil, and vinegar. So I'm going to purchase another one from Amazon. I would love to get like a really nice small marble tray to just put them on top, and maybe add some salt and pepper bottles to them as well. This was a DIY serving board that I purchased from Dollarama, and I painted black. But that's how this area looks, and I love the little greenery right near the sink. It actually pops, and it actually complements all of the greenery over on that side too. So I love how everything turned out here so far. Oh, I forgot. I added my kettle, and that kettle I got on sale for $24.99 I think at HomeSense. It was on clearance actually. And the cooktop I ended up wiping. I was actually wiping it on camera, but the camera wasn't turned when I was wiping it, so you guys didn't see me wipe it down. So usually in between deep cleaning, I usually just spray some Method degreaser all-purpose on my stove, and that just helps to get rid of all the grime and the oil. So that's what I did. So yeah, love how everything looks here. It looks really nice. So over here I added my clear glass bowl. This can be used for salad, but I've added some bananas and apples to it. I actually got this from IKEA a few years ago. This we purchased, I think, off Amazon, and at the moment I can't remember what it's called, but I love it. You don't want to, cook your meat on the stove. This is a second option that works really, really well. My paper towel holder, a little bit of greenery, my soap dispenser, and that is how everything looks. I like it. Everything is nice and clean. And then over here, I just kept it simple with 2 black placemats, because this is where everybody normally likes to sit and have breakfast, snacks, lunch, dinner. No one really sits at the dining room table. When I was back living in the apartment, everyone sat at the dining room table. Now that we have an island, we enjoy sitting here, which is nice because then I don't have to clean my glass table on a regular basis anymore. I do plan on getting some bar stools for here really soon, but as of right now, these ones came with the house. There was actually 3 of them, and I think the other one broke. And yeah, really simple. I've lit a candle to reward myself and to, make the room smell nice. And then this is my mirrored glam tray that I got from HomeSense a while back. I've added some peonies here, a little birdie, and then my thrifted black vase from Valley Village, and some more greenery. And that is how everything looks. Nice and clean. Let me give you guys one more look at everything. It's nice and sunny outside. I actually recorded some of this on Saturday, and now today is Sunday. And you guys will probably end up seeing this video on a Sunday, because I think I am going to be uploading on Wednesdays and Sundays, and also Fridays. So check out those. Make sure that you are subscribed and you have your bell on so you don't miss out on any videos, because those 3 days may be my upload days. So anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope I was able to give you guys a little bit of inspiration and motivation to do a little bit of tidying up. You don't always have to do a big cleaning, but just a little bit of a tidying up. And I'm working on getting a nice little rug, like a runner for this area, just to finish off the kitchen a little bit better, and just to add a little bit of extra something to the floor. I normally don't like having area rugs in the kitchen or any type of rugs, because they pick up so much dust and food particles, and they get really dirty. And I've had many of them in the past, but I'm not really keen on having them right now. But it just adds a little, you know, nice decor to the floor. But I love how the kitchen turned out, and I love all the pops of greenery. It looks really pretty, and it brings in that beautiful spring vibe, even though it's getting really warm outside, and it'll be time to decorate for summer really soon. I do plan on also getting some cookbooks for over there. I actually wanted to get a fruit basket. It's a see-through black metal fruit basket, and it comes with the banana attachment that I saw on Amazon. But I'm not really sure, because I have so much black decor going on. Breaking up some of the boldness in the black with like glass and silver metals really kind of adds a little bit more of a freshness and lightens up all of the black decor. But yeah, thanks. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to inspire you a bit to do a little bit of cleaning, or just a little bit of tidying up and decorating. Anyways guys, if you are new and watching for the first time, welcome to all of my oldies but goodies. Thanks so much for tuning in for yet another video. Thank you for all of your love and support. My name is Anne, and this channel's name is Glam Designs by Anne, and I love to share cooking, a little bit of cooking. I love to clean, organize, decorate, hauls, and DIYs, and I also love a little bit of thrifting. So if you enjoy those type of videos, kindly subscribe, double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on a new video, and I love you for watching. Have a blessed Sunday and an amazing week. Bye.